The snake charmer, that clever lady from Quebec who wears a snake around her neck. The snake charmer works his spell. Who knows? Gusto mo may ganon. Gusto mo pala may ganon? Ah. Snake, no. And then the elephant. Elephant. E says elephant. The tightrope walker. The tightrope walker. Elephant. Elephant. Next is the juggling show. This Chinese juggler is super quick. He tosses dishes around her stick. And now it's time for the magic tricks. The magician comes from Afghanistan. Does he make things disappear? We certainly can. Hop to the bunny, hop, hop, hop. A bow, and it comes the hop to the bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop to the bunny, hop, hop, hop. And then the strong man. The strong man is from the West Germany. Meow. Wing, 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 wing. Tapos, the clowns. My bird, my bunny. Good night. My lollipop. Lollipop. All done. Skip na tayo. Tapos na read book. Tapos naman. Nag-goodbye naman. Tingnan mo, sabi dito ng clown. Sabi ng clown dito. Anong sabi ng clown dito? The clowns are from the USA. They can make us laugh all day. They juggle, dance, pretend to fall. Then they say bow. Then they bow and say goodbye to all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Good night na. Matutulog na. Matutulog na. Good night na. Matutulog na. Asa sa artista ko? Matutulog na. Sabi na kasi ng clown. Sabi ng clown, bye-bye, goodbye to all. Pagod na sila, matutulog. Matutulog na daw ang clown. Matulog na. Read book pa tayo? Read book pa? Nakantok na yan. Yung iyak na yan, antok na yan. Oh. Oh, sige, read tayo. One na lang ha. Last na lang ha. Last na lang ha. Oh, last na yan. Iyak na yan. Oh, open na book. Read na book. Read na. Wait lang, wait. Oh, tama na cry. Oh, tama na cry, mama. Oh, ito na. Read na kami, book. Ano nga to? Ikaw, ituro mo. Sige na. A night at the circus. Ikaw nga, circus. Step right up, ladies and gents. The lion trainers inside the circus tent. How many lions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Roar! 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 There are 4 lions. Where is the blue fish? Na nasa, wow. How about the sea lion? Na nasa top, very good. Nasa top siya ng big ball. Lion. How many lions are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rawr! Gustong gusto magbasa. Ito. Anong ginagawa ng mga snake? Wow, snake. Anong color ng snake?